Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can go into the Fastboot mode and how we can exit the Fastboot mode on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So the first thing that we need to do is turn off our device. So let's turn it off. We need to select power off. And then once the device is off, you want to press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. And when you press and hold those buttons, you want to keep holding them until you see the Fastboot mode. And there we go. Now we can navigate through the Fastboot mode by using volume up and volume down. And then after that, if you want to select an option, you want to press the power button. And if you want to exit and go back to the normal mode, what you need to do is simply go to start. So you need to scroll through the options until you find start, and then you want to press the power button. And once you do that, the device will start normally in the normal mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!